Welcome back, kids. In the next session of backward counting 10 to 0. In the previous session, we had learned what does backward counting mean and the sequence of backward counting. So, let's revise it once again.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Once again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's do some activity related to backward counting. Let's start with the activity. For that, we need some clay, a rod or a straw, and some beads. Can you see those numbers written on the beads? These are backward numbers. So let's start with the activity. Place the clay first. Insert the rod properly so that it does not move. And start inserting the numbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So let's count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's start with the second activity. In that, we need a chart paper, glue or fairy stick, one bead, string, and we need numbers 10 to 0. Since you are doing backward numbers, you can use a calendar and ask your mama to cut the numbers and give it to you all, since it's not safe for you all to use scissors. So I have made it for you all. It will be looking like this. You have to take a chart paper, attach this string with the bead on both the ends like this. You can see this. Then, as I asked you all to cut numbers, so you can cut it and stick it over it, or you can even write it with the marker. So let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's do it once again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kids, like in the previous video, we had written backward numbers 10 to 0. We'll write it once again. Let's start with the date. Today's date is 2/7.6.20. Leave two lines. B capital, A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward, one finger space, N capital, U, M, B, E, R, S. Backward numbers 10 to 0. Now we leave one line. Near to the margin line, T, O, dot, T, O, dot, T, O, dot, T, O. 4 times. 1 under T and 0 under O. Before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kids, let's write once again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please do write twice at home by your own and keep on practicing backward numbers 10 to 0. So kids, I hope you liked both the activities. Please practice writing backward counting 10 to 0 at home. Thank you.